In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the FirmGuard feature SecureReimage. Simply put, SecureReimage can be used by an IT admin to remotely reimage an endpoint with a predefined golden image. There are many reasons for reimaging a machine, including when it is being assigned to a new employee, or if it's malfunctioning and rather than troubleshoot, it's sometimes easier just to reimage and return the endpoint to a known good state. From the FirmGuard dashboard here, I'm going to drill down to a very specific endpoint, this Acer Aspire. And you'll notice on the left side, there is this tab, SecureReimage. If I click on that, you'll see the two aspects of reimaging a machine. The first is provision an endpoint, which you can think of as a way to activate the golden image. And once the provisioning is done, you can then run SecureReimage, which will, of course, reimage the machine itself. However, before you can provision the endpoint, you must first create the golden image. And it's beyond the scope of this video to show you how to create the golden image, but there is a complete step-by-step document located right here under instructions. Now, there are a few key points that I want to keep in mind. The first is that the golden image must be a .wim or Windows image file, and the file must be named SecureReimage.wim as shown here, and it must be located on the target machine, in this particular case, the Acer Aspire, at this very specific location. Now, the WIM file is typically deployed with the help of an RMM tool, but of course doesn't have to be. Now, once the golden image is in the designated location, as indicated here, you can click on Provision Endpoint, and you can run this immediately, or you could schedule it out in the future. And if I were to click Provision here, which I won't do, it would activate the golden image. And once that's activated, then this particular box that says Run SecureReimage would no longer be grayed out. Now, to show you what this looks like, I'm going to drill down to another endpoint that has already been provisioned. And I could certainly re-provision it if I wanted. If I change the WIM file, I could do re-provision and use that particular one. But in this case, I'll just click on Run SecureReimage. And similar to before, I could run it immediately, or I could schedule it out over time. And again, I won't run it. But if I did press run, in about 30 minutes, the endpoint would be totally refreshed with the golden image and would come back up in what we might call the out-of-box state, or in other words, in a similar state to when the computer was first booted and turned on for the very first time. With the big difference being, of course, that the machine contains not only a fresh operating system, but also has all the applications in the golden image already loaded on it and ready to go. So I hope you found this SecureReimage demo helpful and that you'll begin using the feature to handle all of your remote Windows reimaging needs.